Last Thursday, a powerful EF2 tornado struck rural Morgan County, Tennessee. The following day, and we're so thankful that the Johnson's family is safe, along with many other Morgan County residents. As always here at AccuWeather, our mission is to save lives and protect property, and that's why we're committed to that superior accuracy. We do want to dive into the upcoming storm because, yes, there's a whole nother one coming at us, unfortunately. You can see it off the coast of British Columbia, Canada. This will have pieces of energy working through the northwest shortly, which means there will be the chance for more rain and snow as we go through the upcoming hours. But this is going to be a bigger player as it works its way farther east. You can already see that storm again trying to work its way into the western coast. Energy kind of fades a little bit, but it's enough to wrap in more energy here. And as this dives through into the middle and later part of the week, we will be talking about some big time changes for the eastern U.S. yet again. Still some question marks out there for us, but as we move through the early week, you can already see a lot of that moisture around the northwest expanding into the plains as we go through Monday into Tuesday. And of course, this will lead to some snow accumulating for snow. Notice, though, there's still some questions as to how much this storm will curve up the coast or if it'll be a little farther out to sea as it curves its way northward. Either way, we do know that there will be some impactful snow, especially around, say, the nation's capital as we move through the later part of the week. So we're looking. Winter is sure to keep us on our toes, and along with bitter cold this winter, you have to watch out for the snow, especially if you're going to drive in it. And if certainly some great tips there as we talk about another storm system coming in. February has been back to back stacked with storms, and we do have another one for the early week starting to work its way in the northwest, spreading the snow out into the plains Monday and Tuesday, which means there will be spots that pick up. Yep, you guessed it, more inches of snow. This is just through Tuesday night, so the snow will continue to push east through time. But what's for us? How far north or south will it go? How quickly will it turn north? Will it be well out to sea, or will it turn north right along the coast? And our guesses as far as snow accumulations. First up, a look at that. Of course, we have some changing times in the northern tier of the nation with just our day-to-day weather. You can find the cold blasting its way on in, just a high of 9 in Minneapolis, Sioux Falls. Chicago, you'll still hold on to a high in the 20s, but don't worry, we're going to get that cold air sweeping its way on through, and the numbers will go down. Monday morning, AccuWeather real fuel temperatures across places like Wisconsin, they're going to be in the 20s to 30s below. And you can see in Chicago, we'll still be close to teens here now. Saturday into Sunday morning has been across Kentucky, really, where we've been expecting it, and through northern Tennessee. We have had a lot of flooding reports come in from this region. So if you are in these areas, know that many roads could be actually washed away. We've had a lot of high water overtake bridges and other areas. As we continue to follow, though, this line of thunderstorms off towards the east, you can see it rumbling its way out of the Atlanta map. Now talked about these storms as they continue to work east with many severe thunderstorm warnings highlighting the wind threat here. We still have a lot of flooding reports, including some flash flood emergencies that are in place across West Virginia and Virginia. So please be extra cautious. That flooding, a very severe impact from this weather pattern. We still could see some of those strong thunderstorms continue to work their way through northern Florida, southern Georgia as we go through the early morning hours with damaging winds in these locations. But as you work your way up and off the Delmarva coast, we'll still be challenged with some of those thunderstorms that could have damaging winds as we work our way throughout the day. So this whole line moving east, and as it does that, this morning we'll be talking about some challenges and into the afternoon hours with damaging wind threat. Here's what future radar takes us through. A few flurries into parts of the mountains of Tennessee and North Carolina, but a big change here as we deal with some quieter weather. Virginia Beach, it's interesting. Today we get some of the